What we're going to do here is we're going to show how to convert a lead into an opportunity on Salesforce. So a lead would be any sort of business or individual that you could potentially market the business towards. But once it becomes qualified and has the potential to complete a sale, we would move it to being an opportunity. So in order to do that, we first have to go to the Leads tab on the top of the page. That will open up the different leads that you have already in the business. If you select the one you want to convert to an opportunity, that will show you the different stages that you can go through. So here it could be an unqualified lead, going to a new lead, working on it, and then nurturing like we are at now. In order to convert it, you would just select Mark Status as Complete, and that would bring up a new page. So if this is a new company that you're working with, you can create a new account. However, if there's an old one, you can search for them and add them to that already. And same with the contacts and the opportunity. So we want this to create an opportunity. So definitely don't create an opportunity here. And then you just click Convert. Now that will be converted. As you can see, that's there in the leads. If you go to the opportunities tab, you will see that it's now in the opportunities.